Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick. This is going to be a quick tutorial. I will explain to you how to perform hard reset for the Moto G Play 2026 in case if you find yourself locked with password, pattern, fingerprint and you can't access your phone anymore. So make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and without any further ado, let's find out. Now, just before we start, I have two quick disclaimers. Doing factory reset or hard reset will lead to lose all your information. In addition to this, also you have to use the same Gmail account that was already synced on the phone once you complete the factory reset. Now, the first step, we need to shut the phone completely off. But in this case, even if you try to shut the phone off, it won't let you do it by pressing these two keys, the power and volume up. And let me just show you. Even if you're trying to power off the device, it won't happen. That because we have a lock screen on the phone, and that will prevent us by doing this. Now, instead of this, I want you just to pay attention to what I'm gonna tell you right now. You will need to press two keys together, which is power key and volume up, and keep hold. It's probably gonna be 7 seconds. Once the screen turns completely black, you just have to release from the volume up and the power and immediately press on the volume down and the power key. So let's go ahead and do this together. So first we're gonna press two keys, which is volume up and power. Hold and don't let it go. It's gonna take a few seconds. Now just wait 1 second and immediately put your finger on the volume down and the power key, and you should end up by this screen. Now from here you just have to navigate using the volume up, and you have to go to recovery mode, as you guys can see. So this is the recovery mode, and then to select you have to press the power key. Now go ahead and allow a few moments. And the phone will return to no command screen. So what you have to do right now, you have to press power and then volume up. So power first and then volume up. Let's go ahead and do that again. Power and volume up and release on both. You should get this menu. Now, if we take a close up here, we have so many options. What I need from you to go and choose wipe data factory reset, and then press the power key to select, and then it's going to be two options, cancel or factory reset. Go ahead and select factory data reset and then the power key, and then wait a few seconds and the phone is going to show that the format is complete, and then it will take you back to reboot system. Now this is what we need, and we need to press on the power key up to 5 minutes, and the phone will complete the factory reset. Again, as I said, you are required to use the same Gmail account and the same password to bypass the Google activation screen lock. And that was very much it. Thank you so much everyone for watching. As always guys, make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. We'll talk to you in another video.
I'm a really big hitter, big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back.